Our project is on the study of ecosystems. We are researching about different types of ecosystems, the Chattahoochee River, how the trash is affecting it, and how to build prototypes that will affect the ecosystems positively. The purpose of our project is to learn more about the ecosystems around us. We have 3 goals: to explore Georgia ecosystems, identify a problem in one of those ecosystems, and create a prototype to solve those problems. We chose this topic because we wanted to bring light to struggling ecosystems that need our community's help. Our ultimate goal is to spread the message that keeps our environment safe.
An ecosystem is a community of living and non-living things that work together. Ecosystems contain biotic or living parts as well as abiotic factors or non-living parts. Biotic factors include plants, animals, and other organisms. Abiotic factors include rocks, temperature, and humidity. Every factor in an ecosystem depends on every other factor either directly or indirectly. In the Chattahoochee, abiotic factors include the water flow rate, oxygen, chemicals, and more. Biotic factors include the various animals and plants living in the ecosystem.
The Chattahoochee River forms the southern half of the Alabama and Georgia border, as well as part of the Florida border. Its river system provides drinking water for nearly 4 million Georgians, including 70% of the people in metro Atlanta. Also, the Chattahoochee River has been the catalyst for the economic development of Columbus and the surrounding area. The river's natural beauty and power has served as a source of inspiration as well. Some concerns for the river include many types of pollution, such as thermal and water pollution.
First, we all took an individual survey about our interests and dislikes. Then, based on the categories that we chose, the school separated us into big groups. We were all put into the environmental and medicine group. Then we decided on a group of 4 because we all get along well together and we have similar time schedules. We first came up with a bunch of environmental problems like deforestation, pollution, and global warming. Next, we started researching on each problem. After we had information about each problem, we started to share our ideas on each topic. Then, as a group, we decided which topic we wanted to do. Lastly, we narrowed our bigger topic down into the study of ecosystems.
After establishing our groups and topic, it was time for all of us to establish our roles in the project. Navina is the project manager and the product manager. Najeri is the media specialist as well as the social media manager. Neha is in charge of research. Lastly, I am the documentarian and public relations/marketing director. After establishing our roles, the team moved on to establishing a more specific topic and background research. We decided that exploring the river ecosystem in the Chattahoochee River was the best choice for us because of the river's proximity to where we live. Then we contacted the Chattahoochee Nature Center, where Mike Meyer told us the problems the Chattahoochee was facing, which included the buildup of trash and pollution. This helped us focus on a more specific problem, and then the team managed to develop drawings of possible prototypes. The information he gave helped us solve some of the problems with our prototypes. Then we finalized our prototypes, worked on our tripod, and finished up our video.
After collecting our research about the problems of ecosystems, we found a solution to reduce the amount of trash in the Chattahoochee River. We built a prototype that would filter the river without harming the wildlife inside. The machine's butterfly net would gather trash and fish, if any are there. Trash and fish will enter this container and get filtered through their respective tubes by a camera sensor. A camera sensor is a sensor that detects objects and analyzes their identities. To stop trash from flowing into the fish tube, and vice versa, adjustable doors built inside the tube close off when all fish or trash are emptied. Fish tubes lead back to the river, while trash tubes connect to a trash collecting container.
In the end, our team was able to create a prototype that could help solve the trash problem in the Chattahoochee and hopefully soon with other rivers. However, there are many things that we need to improve about our prototype. First, we would need to consult an expert that would help us program the prototype so that it can move on its own, so that the doors can open and close, and so that the scooper can also move by itself. We would also need to think more about if the fish would be able to survive long enough inside the machine before it is released back into the water, or if they are stuck with the trash.
Despite these needed improvements, we are still proud of this prototype because it is bringing awareness to our community. The community needs to be aware that the trash problem cannot continue to grow in the Chattahoochee and that it is important to protect it because of its importance in our water supply. Plus, it is important to make sure that its river ecosystem isn't harmed because all those non-living and living organisms working together is what keeps the river healthy.